Hi, everybody, and welcome to Meet Your Trading Experts live and free. It's great to have your company today as we head along into quite a packed up few days of crypto stuff. I'm just waiting at this point for Shukri to come and join me and talk a little bit about these topics. Mike, can you drop me a message and ask him, if you don't mind, if you can ask him where the heck he is? That would be wonderful. Look, if you've got any questions about this, what I'm going to do, let me just tell Shukri we've started. Right, look, what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about why now is the time to do wallets. And part of that, I guess, is that there is a charity course that's being launched, and that's not ours. It's not Actions to Wealth. It's not Online Trading Profits, but it is, something that I'm involved with separately. So it's an outside project, and we're going to be talking to Shukri a little bit about that today. But one of the things that we will be doing is today announcing the time and giving the link to the pre-launch event. Now, the pre-launch event is absolutely crucial. If you really want to trade the launch of it, you need to be in the pre-launch event. Let me give you that as a bit of a tip. So we'll give those details out, and also we're going to confirm again the details for the wallet classes that are coming up. We've got a wallets class at in half an hour from now with Mikey. I'm going to get Maya to put that link into the chat. If you haven't signed up for that, we can go straight from this show. You can log out, go into Mikey's, and I'll show you how to use the set up the particular wallets that we'll be using in this in the program. And hey guys, look, it really is good to see so many people in the room. I'm sure we've got more on Facebook and on YouTube. Great to have your company today. If you have any questions, put them in the chat box. If you're on Zoom, if you're on Facebook or YouTube, just put them in the questions area and we will come back to you. And if you want to do the next look, the real key to, if you want to be involved in the launch of the charity coin, that not our charity coin, that charity coin, it's not an Actions to Wealth online trading products thing. You need to get a wallet open and you need to get some money into Binance. The reason for that is because compliance can take anything with Binance. It can take anything from an hour to 3 or 4 days. So if you wait till next Thursday or Friday and we do a pre-launch event next Sunday, you could miss the launch. And look, the launch is a cool fun because price presumably will go boom, boom. There'll be a way up, there'll be a way down, there'll be opportunities to make money on the way up, bank a bit on the way down. A lot of people who will come into a lot of people who will come into that launch. A lot of people who will come into that launch. I imagine this is what I'll do personally. I'll have a certain amount of money, and half of that money I'll put in. I'll look to make some money up there somewhere. When it starts pulling back, I'll sell it, and half of that money I'll keep and leave staked long term in the coin. And if you do these wallet classes, any of the wallet classes, there is a staking course coming up a little bit later on. Yeah. Shukri, my man.
Hey.
Where have you been, buddy? Hey.
I put on my Microsoft Authenticator now, so it always kicks me out of Skype.
Mate, look, let's. The topic for today is why set up a wallet right now? And that's my first question for you, Shukri. Why do it right now?
Okay, let me tell you about DeFi. The rage now is, of course, DeFi. There was a DeFi summer last year. Started out with Ethereum, of course. Now, when do you know when a DeFi summer is coming? You got to know what to launch the DeFi summer, right? So the DeFi summer is launched when you have a decentralized exchange. Last year, it was Uniswap. That made everyone very easy to connect your wallet to an exchange. You don't have to go to Binance, take your picture, get warned by the UK authorities or whoever authorities, right? Because I know a lot of you have the problems if you're going to all the centralized exchanges. But if you have a wallet and connect to Uniswap, which is on Ethereum, that you can trade from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter. It doesn't even ask for your name. It doesn't even ask for your passport. It doesn't even ask for your address. Now, what is happening now under the radar, because the news has been not good about crypto, unless it was Bitcoin the past week, is that there are now new decentralized exchanges coming up. Polkadot, not many people know this, already has one. It's called Karura Swap. It's already running. Cardano, I know you guys have been waiting for this. The long infamous Cardano is launching something next week that is called Sunday Swap. Once these come, I believe that that is when the DeFi summer will really start. And you really need a wallet to do this, guys. You cannot just go open and KYC. They're not interested in your KYC. You have to connect to the exchanges for that, and that is how you can do your DeFi and all that.
You know, man, I'm going to talk a little bit about an experience that I had in the last crypto summer, if you like, Shukri. So obviously I own a company. You know, we're not strangers, right? Our guys are talking quite often, quite regularly. So I spent the whole of the last crypto summer with guys going, oh, you should buy this. It went up, and then I'd go, well, I don't have a wallet. I don't know how to do that. And then I'd find out that they turned $100 into $100,000. I'd be like, I should have probably got a wallet. And how many times I thought, I just need to get a wallet. I need to do this because these guys they're smashing it. And this is what's going to happen with crypto, right? It's either going to go bang or it's going to go bang. And one of the really cool things, I want to talk about what's going on in the market right now, but one of the really cool things that it appears we're seeing, if we get this close above 40,000 on Bitcoin, then Bitcoin appears to have put in a bottom. And I don't mean a bottom for this move. I mean, there's a big range there that coincides with previous levels that are likely, hey, soon, it's likely to be in the area from now on that if we come back here, we're going to know there's some issues. We drop below 40,000, you know, once we cleared it. That'll be a real, you know, so we've got this new base to build off. And look, why right now? And look, Bitcoin's gone up 30%. And you and I both know, well, so what? You know, that's what Bitcoin does, right? It's been a week, 30%. So what, you know? But why this move right now, Shuki? Because you've been telling me for ages that we were going to see the DeFi summer in August. Is this the start of it?
Let me tell you something. I think you guys know. YouTube, don't cut me out. I've always said that this crypto market is manipulated. Now, Paul, this move was driven by Amazon last weekend, which we found out later was fake news. In any other industry, guys, in any other market, and Paul, you've been there, had that fake news been confirmed, it would have fallen below 29 again. I mean, seriously, right? Just imagine Bitcoin as a stock going from 29 to 40, and then you find out it's fake news, it would have fallen below 29, right? But it didn't. It didn't. It just went to 37, and now it's at 40 again because it wants to go up in this cycle. There was another news that people were saying, no, Shopify moved it up. Wrong, guys. Shopify didn't push it up. Shopify moved the NFTs up. Facebook on Friday moved the NFTs up.
Look, I don't want to get too technical, but I think it's one of the things that people don't understand, right? It's quite possible for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days it's gone up, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the previous 7 days that went down before that, that in reality, the buying and selling relationship has been exactly the same.
Yes.
That there's been more buyers than sellers throughout that entire period, but for that period it was going down, they were releasing more Bitcoin into the market and oversupplying it. And they stopped that, and then we saw price respond. So, so really, you know, and I can't tell you exactly what the relationship between buyers and sellers is, and I don't know that stuff, but what I can tell you is that just because it was going down didn't mean there weren't more buyers than sellers, which would mean any other market because the supply was changing while this was being done. So interesting time for it, Shukri. And I do look at that now, and I look on the way up last time I bought it at 38,000.
Right.
I had it about 30,000 and it got closed and some account maintenance we were doing. But I'll be back in this not too far away.
And you remember what we said, Paul, right? We said that because of D-Day of Bitcoin, because of the release of that grayscale, what were we saying? We're saying that, hey, because everyone knows this, maybe there'll be a fake out and then it'll just go up. It's too easy. It's too easy. Markets don't do that, like Paul. If it's so obvious, it just is not going to do that.
Yeah, mate, it'll be really interesting today. It looks like it closed about 40,000 now overnight. It's really likely, and if we do, we'll be in another place. Look, let's get back and talk a little bit about wallets. So the number one reason to have wallets for me is because when I didn't have a wallet, look, this is what happens now to me. And guys, I'm a little bit privileged because of my role, but what happens to me now is that I get a message from Simon or Shukri or Mikey, and they go, oh, look, we're going to do this. Do you want to join? And I go, oh, yeah, mate, I've got some money. I'll send some money over. I've got money in the wallet. Send it over. You guys take care of it, right? So I get to now, during the big crypto boom thing, I was just missing everything. And now, whatever I want to get into, I can get into because I've got a wallet and I've got some money in it. And look, honestly, I'm able to put some money into it. I have to have someone come and help me. Shukri comes in and shows me what to do sometimes to do the rest of it. I'm still learning it, right? But now I'm a participant. And what I'm doing is I'm waiting for this next move up. And, you know, look, I'll just be really clear. You know, if Simon can make $1 million and Shukri can make $1 million, I'm going to make $1 million. There's just no way that's not going to happen, right? If they can do it, I'm going to do it. And this time I'm going to be involved and not miss it because honestly, not making $1 million last time was bloody stupid of me. You know, it was a real oversight. We shouldn't have missed it. So that's why I want wallets, right?
And one more thing, Paul, the wallets allow you to buy the up and coming gems, that are not listed on the centralized exchange yet. So you buy it when it's still outside of the main radar of the big institutional guys who want to deal on the centralized exchanges.
And this is what you guys did last time, right, Shukri? You
Right.
didn't make $1 million buying Bitcoin. In fact, Simon sold his entire Bitcoin thing pretty early on.
Yes,
right? That's
correct.
high enough. I'm out of this.
Correct.
And you found some smaller coins that would work,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And look, obviously, if you want to be involved, there's the Wish coin launch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys in on at the end of the show a bit later on. I'm going to give you the date of and time and the link to the pre-launch for Wish coin or the Wish token. I'll give you its actual name on the date. But in that event, we're going to show you not only how to trade a launch, but we're going to give you the exact details of when it's going to launch. In that event, you're going to look. If you want to trade the launch, you need to be in that event. We're going to give you all those details before we wrap up today, and we don't have too long because at 25 past, we've got to be out of here because they're coming in to do a wallets class that Mikey's taking. He's just coming in, and I'm just really waiting for him to come on camera. I'm going to ask him the next question. Mikey, you in? Guys, if you have any questions, please put them into the chats. As I said at the start, we're going to give away 50 of the Wish tokens today. You can't collect them until after the launch. And we gave away 100 last week. And look, the price on Wish could easily be at $20 or $30 or $40.
Yeah, with the DeFi rally, guys, with the DeFi rally. And let me tell you what happened. Let me tell them what happened, Paul. Axie Infinity, right? Went from 5 to 15, got dumped to 10, went up to 40, got dumped to 15, it's now at 50. That is a rally on NFTs. That is going to be the same type of rally you're going to see on DeFi. Is Wish a DeFi? Oh, I didn't tell that. I left out that detail.
Look, it's one of those cool things, isn't it? Look, again, you guys need to make your own decisions about Wish. And again, I want to be really clear. It's not an Access to Wealth product. It's not an OTP product. I'm involved. Shukri's involved. Mike is involved. Simon's involved. And we're just trying to run a charity coin. And there'll be more details about the charity. I can let you know, look, if you're out there and you have a cause, someone somewhere that needs some money, on the 1st of August, our Facebook page is open for people to post their 1 to 2 minute videos to get money at the end of August to go in those draws, and we'll go through all that stuff for you perhaps more next week. I think we'll be back to talk about the coin next Thursday. Next week for the pre-launch event, we're going to give the date of that as well. Mike, are you going to come in? Are you here to watch, or are you in? I'm going to assume that,
Is he there? Is it because of his internet? I don't know. My internet during the lockdown is very slow.
Yeah, Mikey's just moved house. I don't think it is. I think he's probably just logged in and he's probably doing something else for a few minutes and just not around. So, Shukri, if they want to learn right now, one of the really things about crypto that I'm starting to learn, right, is that crypto is incredibly complicated and incredibly simple. Now, if you find the right thing to do, it's bloody easy. The problem is there's a lot of other things to do, and working out what's the right thing to do can be quite difficult. And we're going to show them in these courses tonight, Sunday, Saturday, how to set up a wallet that they can use on the Binance Smart Chain. So if they want to be part of the crypto on the charity coin launch, they can be. And we'll come back and do more wallet courses in the future where we'll teach them how to do Ethereum and other stuff that's not on the Binance Smart Chain, if I understand that right. I'm not sure I quite understand that right. So one of the things you need to do if you're going to open up a wallet is work out what you want it for. And, all the wallets can buy Bitcoin, but if you want to get into other things, there's other stuff. And what we're going to focus on is the Binance Smart Chain, a MetaMask wallet, I'd imagine, Shukri.
Yes, yeah. The MetaMask can be used for Binance and later Ethereum, Polygon, even Polkadot.
Look, Ariel, this isn't the same as Shukri's program. On Sunday, before the new coin launch on tonight, Saturday and Sunday, we're going to do wallets for that. And after the coin launch, we're going to give everybody who does those, and when I say we, not Access to Wealth Online Trading Profits, the coin, we're going to give everybody who does those programs a coin, and we're going to show them how to stake it with Wish. Now, we're expecting to see APRs of over $1,000, 1,000% per annum, calculated daily, in the first few days. We're going to show you how to take advantage of those. And Shukri's going to do his course. And at the end of that staking course, he'll offer you the crypto moon thing and the chance to do the 2 days with him. But this isn't what this is about right now. This is about setting up a wallet, putting some money in it, starting to get involved. And if you want to get involved in the coin launch, you can get involved in the coin launch.
What's a special bonus on Sunday? I know you guys are asking this deep in your mind. What if you lose the wallet?
Yeah, look,
what if you change the computer? Okay, I'm going to teach you how to recover a wallet too, and you will do it. You will do it practically then.
That's kind of cool, Shukri. And look, and I think one of the things we're going to say is that, so there's a wallet course with Mikey today, and there's a wallet course with Mikey on Saturday, and there's a wallet course with you on Sunday. What's the differences, Shukri?
I go basically into more detail, while Mikey is a very simple one. So I'll cover more of the advanced topics, like what to do when you lose your thing, doing the actual transactions and see whether you can speed it up to make sure that you guys get in and, you guys see where the transactions are going. And I'll tell you what will happen during that time too, because I want you to know that this coin is a fair launch. It is a battle between everyone. No one, you can front run even Paul, okay? You can front run Paul. That's what a fair launch is, if you guys didn't realize it. Paul does not have an allocation here. Ask him, he doesn't have. I'm the advisor, I know it's not designed that way. So, this is like, what? This is like, everyone's going for it. Who's the fastest will win. And that's what we want to do on Sunday. Are you fast enough? Yeah, Crystal said, first come, first serve. Yes, first come, first serve. Crystal, you said it right. I'm going to use that word, FCFS. Thanks.
Just trying to kick Mikey out, see if he can come back in. He's having some problems getting back in. Look, ask him mute pin hiding on video participant.
Yeah, John asked, you have your ETH wallet. Yeah. What you could do, John, at that time, basically is that, Paul will release the address whenever he wants to release. You just connect it to PancakeSwap.
Look, Shukri, I've been doing a couple of things over here with trying to get Mikey cleared and Mikey, log out, okay?
Cool. Okay, great. John, you understand it. Thanks. It's easy. It's easy. So this is not a battle between it looks like it's going to be a battle like F1 between Crystal and John. Hey, Crystal, go.
Yes, please, Mike. If they're asking names, double their thing. And again, we're talking about giving away 50 of the tokens from West Finance. Look, I just want to go back, Shukri. So, course tonight with Mikey. Course Saturday with Mikey. Course Sunday with you. The difference is Mikey hour and a half. This is the process. Mikey hour and a half. This is the process. And Sunday, Shukri, 3 hours, 3.5 hours. A bit more meat on the sandwich, a bit more one-to-one help if you need it. So if you just want to know, this is the wallet. I want to bang, 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 and it's Mikey. And if you want to just do it more slowly and have more, questions and a lot of extra information given to you, you do it with Shukri. And the graduates from all 3 of those courses post the launch go to another event where we're going to show you how to stake those coins and make those returns. Now, I've got 7 minutes left, so I'm trying to get Mikey.
Paul, this is like Formula One. You have the practice day, then you have qualifying. So mine is the real race on Sunday, right?
Look, look, guys, you can do all 3 of them. I will ask. I'll get James to. I'm actually on holiday for a few days now. I'm just going to get James to ask. You guys are welcome to sign up to the more advanced stuff with Shukri separately. That's all still part of it, but all we want to do is we want to give you multiple options to get a wallet open and get some money in it, because if you miss that, the compliance thing will kill you. Now, so John asked if he's got some Ethereum, if he can kind of park it for a little while, come through MetaMask and join us later on and stake it with us. You definitely can. You'll need to buy some of the Wish tokens. And again, look, what I might do now is Mikey's out. I'm going to ask if you're interested in the coin, if you're interested in that coin launch, this is the day you need. And this is me talking directly to you guys and no one else listening. This is the event to be in. Now it is 8 p.m. New Zealand, 4 p.m. Singapore on August 8th. Can you click the link, please? Publish the link, Mike. This is the pre-launch event. Now, in that pre-launch event, we're going to tell you everything you need to know to be in that launch. And if you want to be in that launch, and I want to be really clear here, right, that the coin will launch cheap, and we think it's going to go quite high, and it'll probably come back down. And what that means is, all those people going, the launch going to make all this money, make all this money, make all this money. That opportunity will probably present itself, and so will an opportunity to lose some money. That's trading, right? We can't. I would love to guarantee every single one of our people they're going to make some money, but I can't do that. What I can tell you is we're going to keep this pre-launch event, the stuff we're doing right now. I know we're on YouTube, but it's only our people watching. We're going to keep this to the people we want to have in there, and we're going to start marketing it about an hour after the launch, and we're going to invite the crypto community into it then. And by doing that, don't tell everyone, right? We're going to try and keep the robots out of the fair launch. We're going to try and make sure that you guys can make some money. And John, I really like it. Don't just see it to help others is the key thing for me and my wife. And look, if you want to help us to help other people, then put your money in Wish Coins and stake it. Because in doing that, you'll help us to keep the coin high, and every $7 of value of that Wish coin is another $100,000 a month going to charity. So that's the way to do that. And look, again, John, I encourage you, if you can get it on the launch early and get a good price and buy it cheap, that's fantastic, right? We don't know what's going to happen. No one does. Maybe it'll finish the day at $1. Maybe it'll finish the day at 50 cents. Maybe it'll finish the day at $50. We just don't know. But tell you what, I'll be around for that. I am so looking forward to watching it. I just want to see what it's going to do. It's going to be cool. And we've got a lot of support from a lot of people, and we think there'll be a lot of people around that launch, and we think the price will be good, and the movement will be good. And look, about 5 days after launch, we'll start the minting and the staking. If you have any other questions, just pop them into the box and let us know. We would love to answer those questions for you. We've kicked Mikey out. We're hoping he's going to come back in. And here he comes back in. Hopefully he'll come back in this time and be able to unmute and come on video. I'll talk a little about his program. But please remember, if you have any questions and you ask them in the next 3 minutes and we get them answered, you get 2 entries in the box and at 50 coins, it could be worth $50 each.
Oh, no wonder Mikey's late. You're in space.
How are you, boys? Just made it in.
Look, I'm just going to have, before we go to Mikey, I'm just going to have Mikey, have you posted the link to the pre-launch event? Have you posted the link to the pre-launch event? Great. We've posted the link to Mikey's event tonight and Saturday. Let's post the link to Shukri's event on Sunday. You can do any of them. Mikey's event more condensed, Shukri's event more detail. When is Mikey's class? Mikey's class is in 8 minutes.
8 minutes, yes.
It's in 8 minutes, and it's again on Saturday at 10 a.m. Shukri's on Sunday at 10 a.m. And we'll probably try and sneak one more next Tuesday night, I think, just as a bit of a thing. Here is the link for Mikey's class. I'm going to have also post the link for Shukri's class. If you click on the link, it'll take you to a Zoom and let you in. Now, I've got 2 minutes to be out of here, which means Mikey, I've got a draw to do yet. Mikey, you've got 1 minute. What's in your? Why should they come to your wallets class? What's good about it?
Yeah, hi guys. Great to be in. Look, the whole idea of what I'm doing tonight is doing a really condensed version on everything you need to do to be prepared to get into our charity coin launch. Everything from the exchange, MetaMask, Pancake Swap, all that sort of stuff, but it's going to be a really condensed version. And I'm also going to be sharing some new videos that Shukri has actually done. So that's going to be an awesome resource for you guys. But the whole idea of tonight is to be very clear and help you guys understand, how do I get into the charity coin launch that we're doing in literally a week and a half from now, and everything you need to do. And there is a bit of urgency involved, because you need to make sure that you have your, at least at the basic, your exchange account and wallet set up and funded. So that can usually take somewhere between 3 to 4 days. So join me tonight. I'll show you how to do that. And join me on Saturday and/or join Shukri on Sunday. And we'll show you exactly what to do. So make sure you're ready.
And join us on the 8th at 8 o'clock for the pre-launch event. If you're serious about being involved in this coin, you got to be in that event. We're going to share with you guys exactly how it's going to work, what a fair launch is, what a stealth launch is, what a main launch is, how that works, how you get involved, how you buy. We're going to do all that kind of stuff. And in fact, in that pre-launch thing, I'm going to tell you when we're going to launch. I'm going to tell you when we're going to launch in the pre-launch thing. So make sure you are there. Rightio, look, it is 24 past. I'm keen to get another minute on this, but before I do, I want to do a draw. Mike, can we have a draw, please? We are going to have someone's going to win 50 wish coins, and that could be worth $1, could be worth $50, could be worth $50 a coin, could be $2,500 for coming in and listening today. We're going to give that away. We're a charity coin after all, and we're going to be giving away a lot of coins. Have a look at our Facebook pages. It's nearly finished, ready to go. That'll be available 1st of August. Mike, I'm just talking while you get set up. You ready? Cheers. Crystal wins. Shane, I'm going to give you 15 seconds to tell us you're in the room. If you're in the room, Shane, and you tell us in the next 15 seconds, you are the winner. If you don't win, I'm going to spin the wheel again and make it available to someone else. Shouldn't watch my programs and not. Oh, look at that. Shane Walsh, that the 97-year-old from Bali. He's pretty happy right now, I tell you that. Look, guys, I don't have long. I just want to do a quick summary. Mikey's course is starting in 4 minutes. Condensed wallets. Saturday 10 a.m. condensed wallets. Sunday shukri style. More stories, more stuff around it, more understanding, and the process. The following Sunday 8 p.m. the pre-launch event, and possibly one more pre-event. After the launch, everyone who's done the next few days gets invited. They get given a coin. If you missed out on the draw, everybody gets a coin. And we're going to show you how to go into the vaults and to stake that and get really high rewards. Now, we're talking at that stage about possibly sort of 1%, 2%, 3% a day, maybe more on those rewards for the first few days. We're going to show you how to do that, how to take the most of it. We're going to go now. I'm going to leave you guys now. I will see you guys next Sunday at 8 p.m. Mikey will see you guys in about 3 minutes. Shukri will see you guys on Sunday. Thanks a lot for joining us, guys. See you.